Festive period is right around the corner, right? Lot of people keep looking to buy TVs or any sort of electronic items for your home. So I've got like very interesting videos lined up for the next couple of days. Today also we have a very interesting TV. It's actually new model from Sony, guys, the X90L. Just a couple of days ago, I think last week only, I made a video on Sony's new X75L also. So that was like a 4K TV under 50,000 rupees. This is slightly bit more premium TV, I would say. And this one is like a full array LED TV, guys. It's got native 4K resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate, and features cognitive processor XR with all of their XR technologies like XR Triluminous Pro is there, XR contrast booster, and also has like XR motion flow compensation as well, and also some gaming related features like VRR, auto low latency mode, and as I've told you, 120 Hz high refresh rate. So this is what we'll be unboxing and checking out in this video. Let's get started. So our new Sony TV X90L came in this sort of box packaging, and as I've told you, it's a full array LED Google TV available in different sizes from 55 inches to all the way up to 75 inches. We have the 55-inch variant to unbox and check out in this video. And by the way, if you people don't know, X90L is an upgrade over the previous model X90K and has significant improvements. We'll anyhow talk about all that during the review part. First of all, let's quickly get started with the unboxing and check out the TV we've been waiting for. As I've told you, we have the 55-inch variant, and there you go, boys, our very first hands-on and initial impressions at this new Bravia XR TV. Alright, keeping the TV aside, let me also quickly show you the accessories we got in the package. You're getting a mains cord for the TV and some paperwork as well. Just make sure to read this for all setup, installation and guide. And these are your TV stands. They are actually like 3-way adjustable metallic stands and look quite premium, guys. Plus, you're also getting some wall mount installation screws. And lastly, this one is your TV remote. It's that same TV remote that we saw on the recent X75L, a new and updated design, compact and stylish, and has lots of useful buttons on board. Setup सब हो गया, guys, and I've been using the X90L at my place for almost 2 weeks now, and there are so many points I'll be talking about. Basically, I'll be sharing my complete experience and feedback on this model. So especially if you're like planning to buy this model, right, make sure to watch it till the end. It's gonna be like a full-on informative session. First of all, let me give you a closer look at the TV and talk about the overall design and build quality part. Sony's Bravia XR X90L has a beautiful looking design. I mean, obviously it's a premium segment TV from the company, and they're calling it as one slate design. If you look from the front angle, TV has like a nearly bezel-less sort of experience, especially on the top 3 sides. On the bottom, you do have a bit of chin, but hey, it's kind of unavoidable. Sony has definitely used premium materials over here. Look at the whole frame. You're getting a brushed aluminum metallic sort of frame covering the entire TV, and also on the bottom bezel, right, you have a tiny Sony logo on the left lower corner. Coming to the center here, you have like tiny status LED indicators, and also you're getting on-board far-field microphones. So yes, you can even use like hands-free Google Assistant voice experience. So you don't even need to use a remote control, guys. I'll give you a demo of that at a later part in the video. And talking about the stands are also quite unique. You're getting premium diamond-shaped design stands, full metal stands, and that too in a brushed metallic sort of finish. And they're actually 3-way adjustable. Let me give you a look at the side profile as well. TV definitely looks quite slim, and here's how the back profile of the TV looks like. Entire back panel is made of polycarbonate, but I do have to mention build quality of the TV is very good, guys. As usual, it is powered by their X Protection Pro, so it is a bit resistant to dust, humidity, and also has like built-in surge protection as well, and definitely feels solid for the price point. I didn't face any sort of flex or these sort of stuff in the body. Let me give you like a closer look and show you all the available connectivity ports that you get on this model. All the connectivity ports are placed at the left side of your TV, easily accessible even if you wall mount it, not an issue at all. You're getting 2 USB ports to connect some storage devices. Digital optical audio port is also there. 3.5mm headphone jack is available, AV in, and you're getting a total of 4 HDMI ports, out of which 2 are HDMI 2.1 and support up to 4K 120Hz refresh rate, but only HDMI 3 supports EARC. Lastly, yes, you're also getting an Ethernet LAN port available and an RF antenna port. So that was about the design and build quality part. Now let's dive into the home screen and actually talk about the built-in operating system, apps, and all the features that you're getting on this model. So just like most of the recent Sony 2023 TVs, even the Bravia XR X90L is a 4K Google TV, guys, and has a very similar sort of UI and experience. So on the home screen, right, you've got lots of categories and sections, and everything is like neatly organized. The whole UI has a very clean and modern look. On the home screen, right, it shows you lots of content depending on your personal taste and recommendations, and it also keeps updating regularly depending on the type of content you're watching. Moving on, you've got a movies tab, TV shows tab is also there, and this one is your apps section. Now again, as I've told you, this is a Google TV and has like wide range of apps and games available, guys. Almost like 10,000 plus apps and games are available, so you can easily download all your favorite OTT related apps. And coming to OTT stuff, TV already comes with like most of the OTT related stuff pre-installed out of the box. You're getting YouTube, Netflix, Amazon Prime Video is there, Disney Plus Hotstar, and also comes with Sony's new Bravia Core app. Bravia Core is Sony's own streaming service app available on selected 2023 Sony TV lineup. It's got decent range of movie content available, and best part is it offers lossless 4K movie streaming up to 80 Mbps Blu-ray quality level, which they're calling it as Pure Stream, and has plenty of IMAX enhanced titles available also. Though not all of them are free to watch, but with your new TV purchase, Sony will give you 10 free film credits, using which you can redeem any 10 of your favorite movie titles on the app and enjoy the experience at highest possible quality. Anyways, let's also quickly head over to the settings and see what's available over here, and also talk about the software OS version and stuff like that. First of all, guys, if you ask about the dual band connectivity, yes, TV has like built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0, and it supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz band. And talking about the software related stuff, TV, as I've told you, is a Google TV and comes with Android TV OS version 10 out of the box, and I recently got a software update as well. Now, if you talk about the built-in storage, TV has like 32 GB out of the box, so keeping the space aside for operating system, and I've also installed a couple of apps and stuff, right? And we're still left with around like 17 GB of space. Let me also show you all the picture modes and picture settings available on this TV. Lots of modes are available like standard, cinema mode, and you also get game mode as well, graphics for your PC, and a couple of other modes. If you talk about the picture settings as well, you have like plenty of settings, and good thing is TV also has like an ambient light sensor which automatically adjusts the TV's luminance depending on your surroundings and environment. Apart from that, you can easily adjust your contrast levels, saturation levels, hue levels, and if you come to the color settings, right, TV also has their signature live color mode which you can enable and get like much wider color gamut range. Apart from this, yes, you do have motion smoothing, which they're calling it as motion XR flow, and this is basically like your MEMC, guys, motion compensation. It adds artificial frames in between the original video content and gives you that smooth soap opera kind of effect. So those are all the picture settings available. And coming to the audio section, TV also has like a couple of sound modes available like standard, cinema, music mode, and Dolby audio mode is also there. I've told you, right, TV supports both Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos and has like 4 drivers on board. You're getting 2 full range speakers and 2 tweeters as well, and can produce a multi-acoustic audio effect. And not only that, you're also getting acoustic auto calibration, which automatically optimizes the audio experience of the speakers according to your surroundings and environment. So that was our complete experience of the home screen, built-in apps and features. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly open up some apps like, Netflix or maybe like YouTube, play some demos, just have a look at them, and then we'll be back and talk about the display and audio experience on this model. You people know, right, we do a lot of gaming PC build videos on the channel. Almost every week you get to see something interesting. Lately, I've been getting a lot of comments from you people, audience, asking like, Vimal, why can you make like a separate video, more like a tutorial on what exactly to do after building a PC? Now that is a very interesting question. I'll have to hand it over to you. Sony's Bravia X90L is a 4K HDR10 full array LED TV and offers absolutely beautiful picture quality for the price point. There is excellent amount of detail. I've watched like variety of content over here, guys, like movies on Netflix, TV shows, web series, and also like YouTube videos as well. And I was like greatly impressed with the picture quality. You're getting like native 4K resolution and everything looks crisp and clear. So first of all, let me tell you about the panel used and also the backlighting technology on this model. Now there was no information about the panel used, but based on my experience and testing, obviously obviously you're getting like a VA panel on this model. And talking about the backlight technology, I've told you now, this is a full array LED TV. A lot of people actually do not know the difference between edge lit TVs, direct LED TVs and full array LED TVs. I can actually give like a wonderful explanation talking about the differences among these different backlighting technologies and which one is actually better and what sort of benefits you can get. Now I'm not doing any sort of explanation right now because if I do now, video can get like quite lengthy and I don't want to do that. But if you people are actually interested, let me know and we can plan a separate video on that. Right now, coming back to this particular TV, so it has like full array backlighting technology, and compared to your regular edge lit or direct LED, here you're getting more number of LEDs placed behind the panel, and the TV is smartly capable of independently controlling these dimmable zones. And because of that, right, compared to your regular TVs, here you'll get like much improved contrast levels, deeper black levels, and also less blooming effect. So what happens is, a lot of the times in your budget TVs which feature edge lit or maybe like direct LED TVs, especially when you're watching movies in like low lighting areas, and when you turn on subtitles, right, around the subtitles you can definitely see a lot of blooming sort of effect. So that is a lot reduced and minimized on these sort of premium full array TVs. And since it's a full array TV, obviously you're getting local dimming support as well, and on this particular model, right, there are totally 80 local dimmable zones. So it'll offer you like much better contrast levels and also like deeper black levels, guys. So very close to OLED level experience you can find on this model. If you ask about the colors, TV was producing beautiful and rich looking colors. It's got XR Triluminous Pro on board and is capable of displaying wider color gamut range than your regular model. The color accuracy, color reproduction, everything were on point, and good thing is TV is like very well factory color calibrated, so I didn't have to do any picture adjustments, guys, over here. Out of the box experience itself was good. And the main highlight of the X90L is it features their Cognitive Processor XR. So Cognitive Processor XR is basically their picture engine picture processor, which is responsible for image tuning, and it uses lots of algorithms for color management and digital noise reduction like MPEG noise reduction and also image upscaling, guys. And let me tell you, Sony does a fantastic job with their picture engine. In fact, this Cognitive XR processor is like one of the finest picture engines you can find in the TV market right now. Coming to the brightness of the TV was also good. I watched content both in SDR and HDR as well, and it was producing around like 550-600 nits of peak brightness. One thing I do have to mention is, out of the box, the peak luminance in the picture settings was set to medium. Just change it to high setting to get the best possible HDR experience. Dynamic range is also very good in both highlight and shadow areas. The TV was actually producing excellent specular highlight detail, especially when you're watching Dolby Vision related content. I had a great time watching movies on this X90L. Viewing angles were fine, but since it's a VA panel, right, slightly a bit narrow viewing angles you can experience over here. And reflection handling capability was also pretty good on this particular model. You might ask about the image upscaling as well. Yes, the TV does support XR 4K upscaling. So even if you're watching low resolution content, maybe like 720p or 1080p, right, TV does a really good job upscaling these to 4K resolution, and you'll have like a good time watching content even on your set-top box. And one more thing I totally forgot to talk about is TV also supports a couple of extra modes, like filmmaker mode is there, IMAX enhanced mode is available, and a Bravia core calibrated mode is also there to watch content or movies the way they were meant to be by the directors. You'll have like a superb experience, especially while watching content on Bravia core app. So that was basically about the picture quality, guys. Overall, I was like quite satisfied with the experience over here. And yes, it also has some gaming related features like higher 120Hz refresh rate, auto low latency mode, VRR support. We'll come there and talk about the gaming experience in a moment. First of all, let me share you my audio experience as well. The X90L features 4 drivers on board. 2 of them are full range speakers and 2 tweeters, and also you're getting 2 bass reflex ports as well. So totally combined, you can experience around 30 watts of output. And yes, it has Dolby Atmos support as well. Sony has used premium quality X-Balance speakers over here, and audio experience was pretty good, I would say, especially for a TV, guys. It was producing crisp and clear detail. Vocal clarity was nice. I could actually hear all the dialogues with good clarity, and dynamic range is also decent considering their built-in speakers. See, for a day-to-day sort of experience, right, if you do not want to invest on a separate soundbar, this is actually more than enough. Even the audio output was like decently loud and enough for your regular day-to-day sort of basis. But now, if you are like a pro audio enthusiast, right, then you might need to go for like a separate soundbar or maybe like a 5.1 home theater system. And over there also you're getting an added point. TV can be used like a center speaker because it supports acoustic center sync. So if you have like a compatible Sony home theater or soundbar, right, so you can add in the TV also like a center speaker to that and get like a combined overall improved audio experience. Let's finally talk about the gaming experience as well. It's got all the gaming features that you might be looking for on a TV. 4K 120Hz check, HDMI 2.1 check, VRR, auto low latency mode, and some exclusive features made for PS5. X90L has something known as auto genre picture mode that automatically enables game mode when you connect your PS5 console or even switch it back to movie mode when needed. Plus, you're also getting auto HDR tone mapping that will offer you excellent details in highlight and shadow areas, taking your HDR gaming experience to next level. I had a really good time playing games. The input lag was minimum, response times were great, and this time Sony has also introduced a new game menu feature also to easily access your game settings, functions, or even check your game status, like for example quickly toggle VRR, motion blur reduction. Plus you're also getting crosshair support this time, and also adjustable screen size options just like PC experience over here. Last but not the least, let me also show you the new and updated TV remote on this model. So previously you used to get like those long and big TV remotes on Sony models, right? Now they've replaced that with a much more compact and stylish looking remote. This actually has like a flush button design and has this nice brushed metallic sort of finish on the entire body. Good quality remote, I'd say, entirely made of polycarbonate. You have the Sony branding on the bottom and plenty of buttons are there over here, guys. It even features 6 OTT shortcut apps for Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, Hotstar, Prime Video, and they've added Sony Live and YouTube Music as well this time. Plus it's a smart remote. Obviously you're getting onboard microphone and a mic button as well. Simply click on this mic button, ask Google Assistant any question, and TV will give you answer on the screen. Well, that's it guys, our video on Sony's all new Bravia XR X90L. It's a great TV, either it be for media consumption or even for gaming. You're getting a premium look and feel, top class display, excellent gaming features, and on top of that all the smart features a Google TV should have. The pricing for the X90L starts at 1,23,490 rupees for the 55-inch edition and goes up depending on the size. I'll leave links to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got full information about the product. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.